Welcome to this AT&T Collaborate video tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to park and retrieve calls on your Polycom phone. Parking a call is placing a caller on hold until another user can retrieve the call. To park a call with a caller on the line, press the Park soft key. This essentially puts the caller on hold. Then dial any extension in your network. This identifies where the call will be parked. Press Enter. To retrieve a parked call, press the Retrieve soft key and dial the extension where the call was parked and press Enter. You will then be connected to the caller on hold. You can also perform this function using the keypad on your phone. With a caller on the line, press the Hold soft key to place the caller on hold. Press the New Call soft key. Dial *68, the extension where the call will be parked, and press the green phone icon. To retrieve a parked call, pick up the handset. Dial *88 and the extension where the call was parked. Then press the green phone icon. You will then be connected to the caller on hold. Thanks for watching this AT&T Collaborate video tutorial.